आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Question is, let fx equals to minimum of tan inverse x and cot inverse x and hx equals to f of x plus 2 minus pi by 3. Let x1, x2, where x1 less than x2 be the integers in the range of hx. Then the value of cos inverse cos x1 plus sin inverse sin x2 is equals to. So we have to find first minimum of tan inverse x and cot inverse x. For this, let's draw the graph of tan inverse x and cot inverse x. So this is our x-axis, this is y. Now we know that graph of tan inverse is like this. Here, so this line is our pi by 4, pi y equals to pi by 4, and this line is y equals to minus pi by 4. Here is our 0. Now graph of cot inverse x will be here from here. Sorry, this was 4. Huh? So from here will be like this, and it will intersect by axis on pi. So here we get our, this is the graph of tan inverse x, and this is the graph of y equals to cot inverse x. This is pi by 2. This was line of pi by 2 here, and this is line of pi here. Now see, we have to find the intersection point of this. So for this, tan inverse x equals to cot inverse x. So here we get tan inverse x equals to tan inverse 1 by x. Now cancel this, we will get x equals to 1, that means x equals to plus minus 1. So it is in first quadratic. So here we will get our value 1. Now see, this is minus pi by 2. So from x negative, that means x less than 1, we have minimum value of tan inverse x, and from x greater than 1 we have minimum value cot inverse x. So our fx will be tan inverse x when x is less than 1 and cot inverse x when x is greater than 1. Now we have to find hx. So hx will be, we have x plus fx plus 2 minus pi by 3. So we have to put x plus 2 in fx. So we will get our hx, that is tan inverse x plus 2 minus pi by 3. This value will also change. So x plus 2 less than 1. Here we get cot inverse x plus 2 minus pi by 3. Here x plus 2 greater than 1. So we have tan inverse x plus 2 minus pi by 3 when x is less than minus 1, and cot inverse x plus 2 minus pi by 3 when x is greater than minus 1. Now again make a graph of these two. So this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. So here the graph will shift in left hand side. So we will get our graph like this. This point will be our root 3 minus 2, and now this is pi by 3. Now graph of cot inverse x plus 2 minus pi by 3 will be so this point our will be -1. Here this line is 2 pi by 3 and this line is minus pi by 3. Here it is minus pi by 3. Now see, minimum value of hx is, here minimum value of hx is, we can see minus pi by 6 and maximum value will be minus pi by 12. That means when we put value of pi, we will get minus 2.617 and maximum minus 0.2617. That means our x1 will be -2 because we have to find the integer value. So and x2 will be -1. Now we have to find cos inverse cos x1 plus sin inverse sin x2. So here we have cos inverse cos -2 plus sin inverse sin -1. Now we know that cos inverse cos x will be minus x, this is minus x, when our x value lie between 0 and minus pi. And similarly sin inverse sin x will be x when x value lie between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So here we have -2, so it's in this range. So we will get here -2 plus minus of -2 plus here we have -1. That means -1 is in this range. So we will get -1. So we will get 2 minus 1, that is 1. So our answer is 1.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।